Challenges. We all live them. We all live through them, and sometimes it's just so tough. Why does God challenge us? Our sages teach us that our forefather Abraham, from which we inherited the power to overcome challenges, he was tested 10 times. Not only was tested 10 times, but he stood upright through all the challenges. What did they mean by this expression? Amad bekulam, he stood upright. You would think that it would make more sense to say that he passed the challenge. He overcame the challenge. What does it mean he stood upright? Sometimes, when you get a challenge, you get a big hit in the face, and suddenly your face is not so straight. Another one in the stomach, and then you're already feeling the pain. Another one on the side, and suddenly wherever you walk, you don't even have to talk. Your body is just screaming and saying, I am challenged. Avraham Avinu taught us a lesson. Whenever he got a challenge, even when it meant to leave his home, or when it finally meant to sacrifice his son and go completely against his nature, he stood upright, and each time he had a challenge, he decided to go deeper and deeper, stronger and stronger, more focused, more upright. A story is said about a young man, a young Israeli soldier that had to go to what's called Masa. Masa Kumta. Masa is the journey. The journey an Israeli soldier has to go through in order to become a soldier. They walked. They were carrying a heavy load. And the whole day, with little food, lots of water, under the beating sun, they walked. Lo yemina, lo smola. Not to the right, not to the left. Straight. We will follow our general. And they walked like this. And walked and walked. By the time night came, they were so beat, they threw themselves on the floor with their boots and went with their clothes and were just exhausted. They got up the next morning for the journey. They continued. They want to be soldiers. And they continued. And finally, they are about to arrive at their final destination. The voices are stronger with more belief. They see the shore. Not to the right, not to the left, straight after our general. Exhausted but strong. Even though they wanted to give up so many times, they decided to go and continue stronger. And suddenly, their worst nightmare just happened. The general continues. General, we're there. We arrived. The general doesn't even turn back. He continues. Another mile. Another mile. And at that moment, as they're about to despair, they stand upright and scream from the top of their lungs, stronger! Not to the right, not to the left, straight after the general. A few miles later, the general tells them, we arrived. And my friends, you deserve to be soldiers in the Israeli army. Not only for the first 2 days, but for these last few miles. The last few miles when it wasn't your brain, it wasn't your logic that was working. It was just your faith. That moment is the moment you deserve to be a soldier. So next time you have a challenge, ask yourself, do you want to really give up? Or is this a time for you to stand upright?